Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Treehouse from your other wallets to Binance. So Treehouse or Tree just get listed on Binance. So if you want to deposit or transfer your Tree to Binance, I will show you how. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then don't forget to sign in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is add funds here. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then now you can search tree for Treehouse. Oops. Tree. And click this one. Then you can choose the network. Make sure you choose the right network and the same network. So I will choose BNB Smart Chain because it's cheaper. And this is my Tree wallet address on Binance. So basically I will just copy it and then paste it on the wallet or other exchange, and then you can send it, and the tree will appear in your Binance account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.